So right now I'm in a very quiet car. In a moment I'm going to pick up my children and it will be chaos. But sometimes, actually not sometimes, every single time we go on a road trip, I'm like, this is the last time I'm taking both of you on a road trip. I am at my mother and father-in-law's house. This is the last moment of solitude that I will have for the rest of the day. So what I've learned is food has been spilled, screaming has been let out, but, you know, focal vacation, as I always say. So we are about 20 minutes away from a waterfall in Pindong. It's overcast today, so it's not too hot. And I'm really losing my hearing. All right, we made it. I am at Da Shui Tong and I'm heading on this path. It was a pretty crazy drive, but let's see if it was worth it. I am at the Da Shui Tong waterfall, and as you can see, there are a lot of people here today. All right, first time in this water. You have a butterfly on your head.
Really?
Yeah, red actual butterfly.
Oh, so you like me.
So, do you come into nature very often?
Maybe 1 month again.
Oh, every month.
Right.
And how do you feel when you're in this kind of place? What's your feeling?
I think it's very relaxed. Because in Taiwan, life is very nervous.
Stress.
Right.
Well, that's very nice that you take your children to this kind of environment.
Right. We like them to catch the nature, to feel in the nature.
Yeah, and do you feel because so much technology now,
Right.
coming to nature is a good way to take that away a little bit, you know?
Right. I like photos.
Oh, you like to take photo. I see you have a nice camera here.
Right.
Yeah.
So we will go to the nature to take some pictures.
Make memory, you know?
Right.
Okay, well, thank you for sharing. Okay. About to have a stone sandwich, apparently a rare delicacy here in Pindong. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Stay tuned for part 2. You'll never guess who I bumped into.